Hey, what's up everybody? Me and my bud got a set of these off Amazon. Motorcycle Bluetooth headset with music sharing. Motorcycle helmet, Bluetooth intercom with noise cancellation. Universal communication for snowmobile, ATV. We got good reviews on Amazon. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. Let's see what's in the bag here. Okay, that's cool. So it has two earpieces. I thought it just had one. So it goes to both ears. That's good. There's the mic. Looks like another mic. So you have two options for mics there. That's cool. Little Velcro pads. That's for the wire. Stick the wire down. It's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna have to read the book. So you can go the full clamp. The clamp's on the inside of the helmet. Or you can just go with this piece. And it just glues to the side of the helmet. Seems much easier. I might just go with this piece. There. Right there. Take that off. Press really hard on that. It says let it sit for 24 hours, but I probably won't. Take all this inner stuff out of the helmet. I think I'll try that. And that's it. There's the two earpieces. And that plugs into the back of this. Stick this on. Stick that right there. That's what this thing's for. It's Velcro. Run the cables up into here. Actually, I'm going to stick them into here first. Run them up. I'm going to put these earpieces in. It's hard to see, but I'm going to tuck them in down as far as I can away from my ears. Man, these things are hard to peel. Just tuck the wires out of the way and then put the headpiece back in. That's it. Yeah, I'll try it on and see if it hurts my head, or see if I can feel it on my around my ears or anything. Hopefully not. I can feel them on my ears. See if I can readjust them a bit. This comes with 2 different mics. I find this one kind of big, so I'm gonna go with this one. No biggie. Put it right there. Just give it a try. I got them positioned so they don't hurt my ears, so that's good. We got them paired. We had to hold these 2 buttons in together. Yeah, you hold these 2 buttons in together for 1 second and it'll clear all the connections. Then you hold this button in and that will pair it with the other unit. And they're supposed to pair automatically, just be in intercom mode, but if you sync them up to a phone, it might screw that up. So you clear the connections and then you can sync it with the other one. Yeah, we tested it out. They work pretty good. They're supposed to have a 6-hour battery life. He has a GoPro Hero 10 now, so we should be able to record and be able to hear both of our voices as we're driving. That'd be cool. Good FM radio and stuff. Go try it out. Getting worked in a bit. Take this one for a drive. See if you notice a difference, power-wise and stuff.
Well, you saw a difference with the handlebars.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're higher.
Yeah, they're higher.
Cause I got we both got the CR high.
Yeah.
And then
and
what?
You got the
2-inch risers, and I think you got 3/4 inch or 1 inch.
Got, exactly.
It's louder. It doesn't idle as rough either. Because they're weird. They're actually 3 fingers, so you can only fit 3 fingers on them. Yeah. You get used to them. They're weird at first.
I like them better than mine.
Really? I like yours better than mine. But you get used to them. Like power wise?
Everything. Like,
Huh?
I don't even handle the same. I feel like I'm driving a Harley when I'm standing up on these, but when I'm standing up, man, like my hands are way like higher.
Yeah, the handlebar. I love the bar risers. You got a lot done to your bike. You got.
Oh yeah.
You got the shock covers. You got a lot of stuff done. What are you gonna do this winter? You gonna?
Bike seems like it's torn.
You gonna do the front springs?
Oh yeah, I'd like to do the front. Yeah, I like to do the front because I bought them a couple times.
Yeah, it's like when you put the new tires on and you stiffen up that back shock, you almost need to do the front because you're just driving that more aggressively. Yeah, you just want to.
Well, it's too spongy in the front.
And then as you get,
it's too spongy. When you hit the brakes hard, whatever, it's too much room. Like.
And if you hit anything, it gives so much.
Takes it all.
Well, you almost go down if you hit anything.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So I got a little off topic on that video, but overall the build quality seems pretty good on it. Sounds alright, not great for music, but it has the Bluetooth, FM radio, intercom. When they're synced up together, they sounded alright, loud enough. So yeah, he had to go back to work, so the next video or two we'll try to get out and test them out on the bikes. You'll see them in upcoming videos anyway, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching.